welcome back again to my channel and to another video. So today I am doing a round monogram sign, and some of the materials that I'm going to be using are this 15-inch round tabletop, and I got it at Lowe's, and it was in the section with all the lumber. I'm also going to be using this wood stain and chalk paint to do the sign. So first, what you want to do is just sand the board on all sides. Now I'm just staining the board, and I'm using this Minwax wiping stain. It's a little bit thicker than regular stains. It gives you a little bit more control over what you're doing, so that may be an option for you. But this is in the color Natural Chestnut. So I'm using this adhesive vinyl that I recently got, and it's the Orbital 631, and it's the indoor vinyl, and it is really good for decals. And I'll also be using the contact paper to do a stencil for the middle monogram letter. Now I'm using this contact paper, and I believe it came from either Walmart or Dollar General, and I just cut out a stencil, and I'm going to be using it on my middle letter. thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up or leave me a comment if you have any questions. I do plan on doing another video next week on answering some of your questions about how I price my items and ship my items. So I will see you guys in the next video.